Is it easy to heal from a breakup? I would not say it to be easy or it to be difficult, but I would rather say it is possible. So, today I'm going to share a story of one of my client where she came to me after a breakup with a friend where she had been friend with her for almost 2 years. So now it is almost 1 year of the breakup and the same, triggers come up and she keeps feeling sad, she keeps feeling grief, she keeps feeling alone and she doesn't feel good because they are staying in the same society one over the above and she keeps remembering the situation. So event happened a year ago. This was the event, the breakup, and this was the response. Like she's sad, she's silent, she's crying, she's not happy. But she keeps replaying this event again and again and again in her mind almost for a year now. So in such situation, what to do? It is the person have affected you once and you yourself are affecting you again and again and again by remembering that. So, whenever you are in a situation where something is bothering you a lot and that is taking away your mental harmony, so first is give time, complete time. You say this Sunday whole day I'm going to think about that event. So think about that event, think whatever happened, remember everything, cry out, shout, hit the pillow, whatever you want to do. But that one day is only one day where you're going to think about that event. So that you have to be very strict. Okay, this Sunday I'm going to remember that event and I'm going to feel everything about it. And once everything is done, then please lock the door and just go away from there and just release it and leave it and don't ever again go and open that phone. So it's like once done, you have to not replay again. And then next few days just be aware of what is happening inside you. Sometimes in such situations, we need to just, one is just be with it, be aware whatever is happening whole day and then finish it up. Next day, just think about the positive memories in your life. Maybe you had some very special memories with that person, something very good. And instead of being sad of the breakup, just be grateful that for some time in your life you had a very good friend. And just be grateful for that. Just say thank you, I had this friend for these years and we were good and that was a very good part of me. And the last thing is what you have to do is you have to forgive because you are holding the baggage on you. That person is happy in her life. Why you want to hold the baggage? Or whether that person is happy or not. Now she doesn't want to go ahead with you. That's simple. So just forgive her. Once you forgive, it's 100% forgiveness. You have to go into her situation and then understand what is the reason she behaved in such way. Everyone has a different kind of life situations where we don't know what is happening in others' life. If we go and understand what is happening in others' life, maybe we'll feel okay. From your side, situation is this, from her side, situation is that. Let's forgive. You don't have to go there and say her sorry, but you have to say sorry in your mind. You have to say gratitude, thank you in your mind. You don't have to go and say to that person for your own sake, for your own peace. And once you are done with this, just feel relaxed about it. So, this is the one part of the story. But the second part is that if you really want that person in your life and it's okay for you, she whatever event was done and then you were sad whatever happened, if it's okay for you to go again and talk to her and say sorry and say thank you and just express that my relation with you is very very important than all the other situations, so let's solve and get going together. So it depends upon what is your state, what lesson you have learned from the situation. And every situation has its own lessons. Till and unless you don't take that lesson, the situations will come again and again. So see what lesson you are learning from it. So at the end, I just want to say, whenever there is a breakup in a relation, first important thing is just try to understand what lesson you are learning from it. Second is just see whether the person is more important or the event is more important. And when you feel like event is okay but the person is more important, more close to you, go to that person, talk to him, talk to her, resolve the things and get it done. But if you feel you have learned a lesson that the person is not that important in your life, it was something that person came and things happened, so just be aware, be grateful for good thing that has happened, and then forgive and forget and move on.